Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. And just preparing for the great event coming May 4th. May the 4th be with you. So please enjoy this month of reviews. You'll see every painting that I've done the whole month. Yes, 30 plus paintings. Enjoy it. And I'll see you tomorrow with something new. Have a great night. May the 4th be with you. Check out those great painters all down below. See you soon. Have a great night. Bye-bye now.